Stop. We're eating.
You forgot to introduce the show.
Oh, this is the Ashley and Ashley show. Show. Why is my bang?
My bangs are kind of just chilling.
We have soup. You see the steam?
I doubt it.
I think they just did.
Yeah, you can see it in the.
It's hot.
No, duh!
Well, usually we film the Ashley and Ashley show in her room, but today we're at my house in my room.
Show them your beautiful room, Ashley.
It's kind of messy. That's just one side. The other side's kind of clean. But yeah. Oh my god, my ghetto hat's falling off.
Dude. I just realized I stained on the shirt. It's probably from yesterday. What was I eating yesterday?
Ow!
It is from yesterday. I had ketchup and I kept dripping it on myself. I'ma tell you one time. That's my move. You wash the White House.
Our other move is.
Oh yeah, move our head like this. What's a good song we could do that to?
Let me tell you. No.
No, we can't go. Let me tell you one.
One time, one time.
If it was faster, we could. Let's see.
Well, today we're cleaning my room.
It's gonna take us forever.
Last night I was doing it till 10 o'clock. I started about 2.
So this might be a goodbye forever. Just saying. Really? Look at it.
Not that hard. All I usually do is move things around.
Isn't it?
This is where I do my makeup. I go on my webcam, and it's really hard.
Because she has no life.
I should wear my hat face.
I was about to eat your hat.
I look like I'm going to a Red Sox game.
Oh yes. Alright, so. What's up? How you guys doing today?
We're really bored.
I know. So you guys want to give us ideas for the show? Like anything whatsoever.
Yeah.
Keep it homo. Non-homo. Wait. Keep it.
Normal.
Yeah.
We'll
Like,
answer any questions.
yeah, any questions, you know? Well, guys, alright? Keep it PG because there's some weird fellas out there that ask girls awkward things. So what we mean by questions, we mean maybe
You tried
love.
to go with Amanda too.
Yeah, I remember that.
We
Maybe
did
love
like the other
life,
day.
or what we do for fun, no homo, or favorite song.
Color, age, sex, location. Well, kind of nowhere.
But yeah, anything like that, and give us ideas for the show.
I already have one for winter, but that's a secret. I just thought of another one.
That would be freaking awesome.
We could do it in your neighborhood with Devin and Dan.
They can be our guests on our show. Alright, so you guys know what to do. So just comment us. No rude comments, because there's some biatches out there. It's just mean.
Yeah.
It made
We
me
don't really
sad.
care if you're gonna say something rude, so you don't have to say it.
That made no sense. Just so you know.
You know what I mean.
Alright, so holler at us, baby girls.